funky garage. Oof. Carpet, tools, more carpet. I'm gonna do a cold start, and I'm gonna do it first since everybody's so impatient. And then I'll talk a little bit afterwards. Alright, so turn that on. Turn that on. Well, no problem starting it there. I went on vacation to Las Vegas for a week. Didn't really ride the week before, haven't really rode the week after. The weather in Florida's been a little sketchier than normal. It's sunny today, but it's about 45, which never happens in Florida. Usually the high always gets it, into the 60s usually at least. So there's the cold start after a few weeks not starting and sitting here in the garage.